leaving that in anyway. Howdy folks, so today we're going to get this bad boy moved over into the carport. We're going to get the dash out, going to hopefully get the steering column, and then definitely the front windshield because I'm tired of looking at that natural AC. So, oh, hang on, because that's in gear.
Yep, don't leave it in gear again.
It was in gear. The little bastards have been dragging the whole way. That may have helped his situation just a smidge. And yours truly forgot to take it out of gear. And then I forgot to take it out of gear, out of gear, out of gear. The old girl sunk a little bit there. Granted, it's been sitting like that since March. I didn't realize how much he was burning out there. Nice divot. You want thousands of 100 pounds of dirt to fall on you when you're underneath the rig.
You guys are kind of
you know, I never understood you could go over so many potholes and bounce the rig a ton, and all that dirt you think would just come off, but suddenly it just, as soon as you get under the truck, it just falls on your face. And all of it decides to wait because it knows it's Murphy's Law. It wants to get you. The little sucker bit me. Are you spraying me? Are you spraying?
Indeed.
It's gonna feel good. It's hot out here. Yeah. Come on. Oh yeah, that's good. Hey, good looking. What's cooking? Oh wait, that's me. I'm smelling a BO now. You know, I don't even tie it up this good when I go towing, but I'll do it when I have to go 10 feet in my front yard. Well, she is officially in the carport, which this makes a heck of a difference. I'm gonna be taking out the windshield now because I learned at the junkyard it's very hard to get to the screws for the top of the dash pad with the windshield in the way. You can still do it, but gotta remove it anyway, so what the heck. And then that allows us to get to the dash. So we will start doing this. The safety the safety residue is very strong. I wasn't expecting it to be like crazy like that. Actually, I'm kind of curious to push it out, actually.
Collision. Just want to take this out here.
Well, you can't really without... Yeah, I'm thinking it's the glue. Oh, it's a heavy windshield. So for shipping purposes, this is how they send the kit to you. And got it all out. Got plenty of excess. I had a bunch on my shirt and skin, so kind of nicked me in a few spots, but I rinsed off best I could. So now we're just gonna suck all this up with the baby mouse sucker 1.5. So let's get to it. That's a perfectly good gasket. All right, so step one, as I found out from doing the junkyard run, got 5 of these you gotta take out for the dash pad. Just going across. After you do that, the real fun begins. Then you get to come inside. About this high up behind the dash, there are bolts. As far as I remember, there's just one here and one on the other side. Pretty sure this is not factory. Guessing the previous owner shoved this fiberglass.
You want some longer sleeves?
No, it's... I'm already at the point.
That's where I got it. Shot, or I might have them in a milk crate.
Trying to get it all out in one piece. There's a cockroach.
No way. You just don't find those in these parts.
I think I got access to the bolt now. So the bolt we're trying to get after is right there. So there's one on each side. This is the passenger side. But yeah, there's a rag up in there. Gosh. And normal people wouldn't be.
Oh, God! That was my knuckles.
That's the noise of what your daddy's doing, huh? He's got the big power tools out now. Yeah.
That's the way, we like it, yeah. Ooh, that's hot! One down. All right, other side. This one is going to be fun. Considering I haven't done anything for 2 months, I'm feeling pretty good about myself. We got this moved to the carport, get the windshield and the dash removed. It's pretty awesome because this is my 4th project car, vehicular, and this is the farthest I've ever gotten on any of them. Is that right, Supervisor? She's nodding. Yeah, it's a real thing. Oh, that one's a little tough. No, she's just severely rusted. Take 7. Freedom! Yeah! Well, everyone, thanks for joining us for this episode. I feel like I got a lot done. Probably not to you. I don't know. You guys could probably get the whole thing done, restored in one day. I'm not that kind of a capability of a man. So, anyway, if you enjoyed this video, I'm glad, and hope you cracked open a cold one, and we'll see you next time. God bless.